December 10th, 2013. This is fifth period. I am next door in Miss Mosley's room observing. So Miss Tran will be subbing. So Miss Tran, sometimes during this presentation, I will say pause. Then you pause, give them time to do the activity. And then when they're ready, you can restart. So take out your homework. Let's go over the answer. Last night, homework was over writing equations from problem situation part 1. The first one, Jeremiah's company orders 40 cartons of napkins from Walmart. So you have 40 cartons. 1 carton, 2 carton, 3 carton, 4 carton, 5 cartons, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I am not going to draw all 40 of them. You get the point. Each carton holds 24 napkins, 24 napkins, 24 napkins, 24 napkins, 24 napkins, 24 napkins. Isn't there a faster way of doing this? There are 40 cartons. Each one holds 24, 24. Isn't it multiply? Scratch out C for now. Which Walmart deliver 72 packages of napkins? Deliver means give away. Give away means, I think it means subtraction. So, find how much they have left. It must be A. That's the answer. Hopefully you got that one correct. Number 5. Ledini drove 414 miles on Monday, 360 miles on Tuesday, and on Wednesday she drove 279 miles on that day. So together she drove a lot of miles. On her return, so let's see. So I think we're going to use all 3 of them, so I don't think A is going to be the answer. I don't think C is going to be the answer. It's either going to be B or D. On the return trip, Ledini would like to drive an equal number of miles each day. How many days did she drive? 3 days. She wants to drive this each day. She wants to drive the same amount. So you must divide by 3. B is the answer. And the last one, Angel has 900 basketball cards in her collection. She arranges 15 basketball cards on each page. There are 30 pages, so 30 pages. So here's all the pages. Oh my gosh, I will not draw 30 pages. There are 15 cards on each page. Isn't there a faster way of doing this? Multiply. So 30 times 15. Nope, not A. Maybe B. Maybe C. Definitely not D. So the question is, how much she has left. Left means subtract. Must be C as the answer. So please, one person in your group, please pick up the homework and drop it off to the back of the room. Please pause to give them time to do it. Next one. Okay, so open up your spiral notebook to page 5. Please write down 116 to 117. Today is December 10th. Yes, we are still learning how to write equations. So 116, 117, December 10th, write equations. All right, what I want you to do now is tear out 4 pieces of tape. We do need to pass out this pink paper. So if you are in the class, Alyssa, can you please pass this out to each person? Please pause to give her time to pass out this pink paper. Welcome back. So you should have already taped this pink paper to 116. 116, 116. As you notice, I haven't done it yet too. 116, 116. There you go, 116. All right, now. I would like someone else now to pass out this long white paper. Let's have Miss Minelli please pass out this long white paper to each person. Please tape this to 117. To 117. 117. But you're going to say, but Mr. Joe, the paper's not long enough. So what you need to do is you need to fold it halfway and to be able to open it up. So tear out 3 pieces of tape. Tape the top part and the 2 sides of it. So please pause to give time for kids to receive this from Minelli and for them to tape the top and the 2 sides. All right, now, welcome back. So in this activity, next thing. In this activity, I would like now, you will have about 2, 4, 8 minutes to answer these 4 questions. Stop. I just realized you cannot tape this. So do not tape the side of this. That was silly because you will not be able to look at it. So all I want you to do is tape the top of it only. Now, so you have 8 minutes to answer question 1 about Andy, question 2 about Juan, question 3 about a music website, and question 4 about snack food company. So please do that right now. Please pause and give time for kids to answer this question. Welcome back. Here are the answers to all 4 of them. Andy saved $32 when he purchased a jacket at a clearance sale. If the sales price, so he saved $32, the sales price was 40% off the regular price. Can you write a proportion? Wait, didn't we learn something like this about percent and proportion? I thought we did. Let me go back. It was under, oh, it was right here. Solving proportion or percent. It's part over whole equal percent over 100. It's on page 103, no, 104. Part over whole equal percent over 100. So this is part over whole equal percent over 100. So how much does he say? 40%. They all look correct. Oh, no, not C, not D. How much did he save? $32. Is that part of the price or the whole price? It's part of the price. So I think the answer is B. And it is B. Good job. Number 2. Juan paid $1.12 for a dozen eggs. What is this question about? Cost and eggs. Cost, eggs. Cost, eggs. So Juan paid $1.12 for a dozen eggs. How many eggs is a dozen? 12 eggs. He wants to find the cost for 3 eggs. So 3 eggs on the other side. Doesn't A look exactly the same answer? A is the answer. Good job. Cost eggs, cost eggs. Flip your journal upside down. Number 3. A music website offers song downloads at a rate of 25 songs for $20. Find the proportion. So how many songs can you download for $100? So it's about songs cost. Songs cost. So 25 songs, $20 cost. $100 cost. Which one shows 25 songs, $20 cost? 25 songs, $20 cost. Number of songs. C is the answer. It is C. Hopefully you got 3 for 3. Raise your hand if you so far have a perfect one. Look around. These are our perfect children who work through grit and do hard work using their math brain muscles. And number 4, probably the most difficult one. You know why it's probably difficult? It has the word not in it. A snack food company packages 1,575 fruit cups every 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes. So, can you find the number of fruit cups in 8 hours? So which one does not work? One of these. This is about fruit cups and minutes. Fruit cups and minutes. So 1,575 fruit cup, 60 minutes. How many minutes are there in 8 hours? 8 hours. 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. 60 times 8 is 480. So this one is good, but it's like which one does not work. So this is okay. It works. We're looking for which one is not okay. Let's look at this one. Let's go by here. Is it 60 minutes saying it's 1 hour? Yes. Is it 480 minutes as 8 hour? Yes. So this is okay. One of these does not work. So 1,575 fruit cups something hour. So this is about fruit cups, and this is so 1,570 fruit cups in 1 hour. So this is about fruit cups hour. So how many fruit cups in 8 hours? I think this one works. I think this is okay. Let's look at D. So we have 1,575 fruit cups in 60 minutes. They forgot to turn this into 8 hours to 2 minutes. So this is not correct. So D is the answer. So which one did not write this proportion correctly? D did not write this proportion correctly. So those are answered. So number 1 is B, number 2 is A, number 3 is C, and number 4 is A. Very good. Next one. Please answer this. Let's go back to yesterday's question on page 114. Please answer this 114. Please pause to give time about 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes to answer this question. Welcome back. H.D. Chamber is the Alief ISD superintendent. It costs $8,849 per student. For you to be here to get an education in Alief, taxpayers pay $8,849. We currently educate 45,000 students. To correctly manage the district budget, Mr. Chamber needs to know the dollar amounts to educate y'all. So you need to know how much money to educate you. Is this proportion studied correctly? Did he do a good job? One student, so it's about students and dollar. One student costs $1. 45,000 student costs $8,840. What? I don't think he wrote this correctly. Wait, this is about students and dollar. Students and dollar. So one student costs $8,849. 45,000 student. This is the correct way to write this proportion. If you really want to know the answer, the scale factor, you multiply one student by $45,000 times 45,000. The answer is about $380 million to educate 45,000 students. So one student costs $8,849. 45,000 student costs $380 million. So now turn to page 116. Let's give you 2 minutes to answer this question. Please pause. Welcome back. So this question is about Itzel bought 3 hair ribbons for $5 each. So hair ribbons, hair ribbons, hair ribbons. I should notice I can't draw very well. So it costs $5 each, $5 each, $5 each. Her mother gave her a coupon that reads, take $2 off each item. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Not bad. Taxes were $1.24. So it costs $1.24 for tax. According to her math, she spent $14.24. Was she correct? See, there's 3 hair bows. Times 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 plus $13 plus $1.24 is $14. I don't think she did it correctly. It takes $2 off each item. So, first hair bow, $5. It costs $5. You take $2 off. So that's $3 for each hair bow. How many hair bows did she buy? 3 of them.